Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, solved, cannot change desktop wallpaper in Windows 7, 8, and 10. First method is, click Start Settings. Click Ease of Access. Turn off Show Desktop Background Image. Second method is, type regedit in Windows search bar. Right-click Run as Administrator. Click Yes to continue. Copy first registry location from description and paste it. Press Enter key. If any key like Active Directory, delete it. Copy second registry key location from description and paste it. If any key like Active Directory, delete it. Copy third registry key location from description and paste it. If any key like Active Directory, delete it. If any string name contain wallpaper under system key, delete it. Close and exit registry. Restart your system. Thanks for watching. I hope this video tutorial helps to solve the problem. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you next video.